Home late, it seems you barely beat the sun. Tapping my shoulder, thinking you gon' get you some. Smelling like some fragrance that I don't even wear. So if you want some loving, I suggest you go back there. Where you came from, day to day, with you it's always something else. Working my nerve, God knows that I don't deserve what you put me through. Cause I've been so true to you, for you to come at me with another lame excuse. See, I heard it all before, all of your lies, all of your sweet talk, baby this, baby that. But your life ain't working now. Look who's hurting, look who's hurting. I had to shut you down, I had to shut you down.
J&J Soulful Steps invites you to Cali Jam 2014, Southern California's premier soul line dance extravaganza. The event will be held at the luxurious Torrance Marriott over the Labor Day weekend, August 29th, 30th, and 31st. You will be 20 minutes away from the Los Angeles International Airport, 2 miles from the Pacific Ocean, and across the street from the fabulous Del Amo Mall. Experience the weather and the sights of beautiful Southern California for 3 fun-filled days. Friday, August 29th, workshops will be starting at 5 p.m. and a meet-and-greet party from 8 p.m. to 1 a.m. On Saturday, workshops will be from 9 a.m. to 12:30. There will be lunch and dancing until 2 p.m. and the final set of workshops from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. before the gala party starts at 8 p.m. that Saturday night. We're going to close out Cali Jam on Sunday, August 31st on the beach and at the Dockweiler Youth Center with Line Dancing Beach Party. Cali Jam 2014 will sell out soon, so purchase your registrations now. You can call James at 310-629-2097 extension 101 or join us on our website www.jndj-soulfulsteps.com. See you soon, Cali Jam 2014.